Welcome to today's recipe, which is a one-pot wonder. You're going to find all of the ingredients listed in my one-pot wonder Ninja Foodi cookbook, and I'm sure you're going to find it simple and easy to follow. All of these recipes are super easy to create. One Pot Wonders is about making amazing food in one pot that uses several of the functions and different methods to get the most out of your Ninja Foodi. And of course, with the least effort possible. What I love about all of these recipes is that they are inclusive. And this means that you won't need to be cooking your rice elsewhere or putting your hob on to cook your vegetables. These truly are full meals made in your Ninja Foodi. So I really hope you enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to hit the like button for me. Subscribe to my YouTube channel as well if you haven't already. Let's get into today's one pot wonder, and I hope you really enjoy this. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really beautiful steamed meal with baked fish with a lemon and cream sauce. We've got samphire and new potatoes in this as well. So let's get started. Let's get the Ninja onto sear and saute. I'm going to melt my unsalted butter. Get that out. Let's get that in the bottom of the pot and that will start melting. Into the butter, I'm going to add my shallot and just start cooking that ever so slightly. So right now we're just making our sauce ready for our fish. Let's just melt that butter, soften down the shallot. Won't need a lot. I'm going to add in some salt and also some black pepper. Now in this dish, you don't want to overdo it with the salt purely because we're using samphire, and samphire is pretty salty. So if you want to leave the salt out totally, you can do. But I am going to be cooking the samphire in a little parcel separately. Okay, brilliant. We are all melted. Shallot is starting to cook. I'm going to crush in my clove of garlic. Let's just get my knife and scrape that in. Beautiful. Now with your garlic, you obviously don't want to burn your garlic. So what I tend to do now is turn off the sear and saute. And all you're doing is just letting that become really fragrant. And my goodness, is that smelling good. Now we're going to cool that down pretty quickly by adding in our cream. And then to that, I'm going to be adding my lemon juice. Now, if you lift up your pot, that will just take it off of the heat and you can still see what I'm doing. So obviously we do not want too much heat in there. We've got some Dijon mustard to add in as well. So let's get the Dijon mustard in. Again, just going to scrape down my spoon and just stir that mustard through our little sauce here. Now I'm going to be using some chives, so let's put those chives in now. And then also some parsley, I think, is really nice and fresh in this dish. So just stir those through your sauce. And now that is ready to go onto my fish. So I've got my 2 pieces of fish. I've actually used BASA fillets here. And all I do is just spread this over. So it is quite a thick type sauce that goes on top of your fish. But it's going to make it taste absolutely beautiful. There we go. Lovely. So that is our sauce and our fish all prepared. So nice and simple. I'm going to quickly rinse my pot. It's only going to take a second to do that. And then we can move on. So I've given my pot a really quick rinse there. And now we can go in with our stock. So vegetable stock is what I'm using in the bottom. Then tip in all of your new potatoes, which I've cut into quarters, just to make sure they're going to cook really nicely and become really tender. Now I'm going to be using the rack, and the rack's going to sit over like that. But we need to add onto the rack our fish, and we're going to be covering that with some foil and then cooking our samphire. So I've laid some lemon slices on top. I'm going to cover that with foil. Let's put that onto the rack and then lower that in. So now we want to prep our samphire. So another sheet of kitchen foil, and I have got 90 grams of samphire here. You can get this in most of your supermarkets. Tip it all on. This one just so happens to be Tesco's finest samphire because that's what I could get hold of. Naturally salty, grown to be tender and succulent, and ideal with fish, which is why it works so well with this dish. I like to add a knob of butter to the samphire. So let's put that on top. And then it's optional really, but garlic does go really well with it. So just crush over a little bit of garlic. You don't have to use too much. It's really up to you how much you put into here. Okay. Now just wrap this up so that it's a nice parcel. Just like that. And that's now going to sit just on top like that, ready to be cooked using steam meals. So let's close the lid. So slide over to the middle section, which is your combi steam options, and then the first one is steam meals. So we want to be quite gentle with this, so I like to lower the temperature, so 170 and 9 minutes. Okay, so my cook time is up. Let's open that up. I'm going to grab my tea towel and let's just lift out the fish and the samphire. And let's get ready to plate. And just to show you, my potatoes obviously been cut nice and small, and they are tender and beautiful. And of course, they've soaked up that stock, so they've got loads of flavour. Let's open up our parcel of samphire. Oh, it's going to smell good. Oh yes, beautiful. That has got the garlic and butter in there. Just give it a little mix through. That is looking really tender and just right. And then of course we need to have a look at our fish. So let's open up our parcel. That looks absolutely stunning. And as you can see, moisture has come out of the fish, and that has made even more of a sauce, just as I planned. So that is perfect. And this is what it looks like when it's all dished up. It's a good portion. We've got a nice big piece of fish, that lovely cream sauce, samphire, new potatoes, which are full of flavour as well. And it was really quick and easy using steam meals.